Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one old Great Dane, back at day 197 Star Drop opening. So, let's see what we got.
Rare.
So, 25 power points. For the second Star Drop, we have
Rare.
a rare. 25 power points. I'm not particularly sure what happened to the third Star Drop. I'd like to assume it wasn't anything special though, so we're gonna roll with it. In the shop, we have Bananas Cold for 50% off.
Time for trouble.
Again, I would assume this is a skin you can get out of Star Drop. And Tusnita is 20% off. This is a legendary skin, so you do have to buy this one if you want it. But it comes with some pretty cool stuff. It's just a pretty cool skin in general. So if you guys want it, it's there. For the daily freebies, we have 5 credits, 10 power points. Again, I don't know why that animation is unskippable now, but whatever. Make sure I don't believe anything has changed since yesterday, so without further ado, as of today I have 376 XP doublers and 21,314 power points. So again, from what I heard, Larry and Laurie are coming out, I think this Thursday actually, so again, it's probably going to be another early access offer, so it seems what they're doing now is they're just having certain skins be paid Star Drop offers. The brawlers no longer come in the Brawl Pass, so if you want them early access, you have to both buy the Brawler and the Brawl Pass. So it looks like Supercell's looking to get a little more money cha-ching here, but again, just let me know if you guys are excited. I'll certainly be looking forward to those two, because I've been looking forward to them this entire time. But again, just let me know what you guys think, and let's see if I can take this.